Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Rhino from the Bronx here, and for today we're going to get into a quick little 5-minute mindfulness meditation routine, and the whole purpose of this routine is to allow you to let go of things that has been bothering you. Just stress, depression, life, society, all of those things, those burdens that they've been putting on your mind, letting go of that. The things you have control over, you don't need to stress because you have control over it. And the things you don't have control over, no need to stress either because you don't have control over it. Understand that you make the choice to be where you are in your life. Sometimes not necessarily the environment or the upbringing, but you do have a choice in where you are or where you're trying to go in your life. So use this time for introspection, trying to find your why, and get to that place where that light that is lying dormant inside of you comes out. Because when you let your own light shine, you undoubtedly give others permission to do the same, and that's what I want you to do. Use time that you have not towards social media all the time, not towards mundane things that doesn't do anything for you, video games. Use time that you have in the day, in the morning, in the middle of the day, or at night, 5 to 15 minutes in the morning and 5 to 15 minutes at night, to really go into that deeper space of you, introspection time, and finding out what it is that you need to improve on, need to do, and work towards. Because that's what it's all about, is creating while you're here on this planet. We only have a finite amount of time, and I want you to use that time to the best of your ability. And meditation is the closest thing you could get to understanding that we are spiritual beings having a human experience. We are only renting this body out for a period of time, and then poof, our spirit goes right back, ejaculated into the universe. So enjoy the time that you have, figure out who you are, and try not to stress out about life. So when you're ready, put those hands on those knees, get ready to just let go and get inward into who you are and understand why you're here during this 5 minutes. Let's begin. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet, the highest level of consciousness, and getting on that path of becoming your greatest version. Now stay with peace and love, everyone.